Hi friends, welcome to Web Application Development with the Django course video series presented by Narendra from Do It Python Technologies. In this video, we are going to see how to install the the Django web framework, how you can install on your host. Let me start that. See, there is an official website for this the Django web framework, that is www.thedjangoproject.com. First of all, let me open that. There you will get complete description how to install and everything. See www.thedjangoproject.com. Yes, this is an official website. Now if you observe here, somewhere you are having download latest release 2.0.6. Suppose if you click on this, you will get document to download or to install that the Django on your host. And observe here, the latest version 2.0.6. For that you have to use Python 3, Python 3.x. The Python 2.7 will support up to the Django 1.11. Okay. So anyway, in order to work out with the 2.x of your the Django, then you have to go with Python 3. And before going to install the Django on your local host, you should have Python software. If you are going with the Django 2.x, then you should have Python 3. If you are going with suppose the Django 1.x, then you should have 2.7 of Python on your host. And once if you have that, observe here, you can install using pip command the Django module. Okay. Now I am going to my terminal. Let me open my terminal. Here I will explain how to install now your the Django web framework. First of all, you should have any one of the Python version. So let me check that what is the Python version I am having. Yes, I am having 3.x, that to 3.6.5. Now because of this Python 3, I can handle with the Django 2.x as well as the Django 1.x. Anyway, we are going with the latest the Django. Now, in order to install the Django web framework, you should configure pip command for your Python. Now let me check that whether I am having pip or not. Yes, I am having pip for my Python. Right? Now you can install simply your Django by using pip install the Django. And if you don't mention any version, then if it is Python 3 software on your host if you are having, then by default the latest version of the Django, that is 2.0.6, will be installed. Otherwise, if you are going with a particular version, then you can also mention like this: pip install the Django double equal suppose 2.0.2. I will show both the ways. Suppose if I install in this method, I mean here I am going to mention which version of the Django you require. That is by placing the Django double equals to 2.0.2. And if I enter, now it will observe here it is installing 2.0.2, right? So it will take some time. Please stay on this. Once if it is installed, then you can verify whether you installed the Django web framework either 2.0.2 or something else. Okay. Okay, see here now it's collected everything about the Django 2.0.2 and it's going to installing collected packages of the Django. And observe here from the Django 2.0.2 it is collected. That means whatever the Django you are going to install on your host now, that should be Django version of 2.0.2. And guys, remember that if you don't mention any version here, if it is Python 3, then the latest version of the Django, that is 2.0.6, you will get. Of course, if you want to install especially 2.0.6, you can also mention that version here. But anyway, if you don't mention anything, by default that is the latest version of the Django. Now it's going to take some time, so please stay on this. so that I will verify your installed version is either 2.0.2 or not. You give me some time. Meanwhile, please observe this. Guys, it will take some time. You have to wait up to completion of that installation of your Django. Now observe that it has been successfully installed your Django 2.0.2 version. Suppose if you want to check that, just open your Python shell. Now there import your the Django module or Django framework. Now just try to use print the Django dot underscore underscore version. Observe that you are having 2.0.2. But suppose if you want the latest version of 2.0.6, then here while installing your Python you no need to mention this version. Otherwise you can also mention your particular version. Suppose now I require 2.0.6, then while installing just mention 2.0.6. Now let me suppose I want that. Okay, see guys, suppose if you want to work out with a different version or latest version or upgraded version, then you can go with in different ways. One thing is you can upgrade the existing package like by using pip space install your package name, that is your the Django framework space hyphen hyphen upgrade. That is one way. Okay, otherwise, okay, observe here, now you are going to get 2.0.6. Otherwise you can uninstall the existing Django framework and you can install fresh installation of Django by mentioning required version. But now here I am going with using hyphen hyphen upgrade option. That means whatever the Django I am having, that the Django will be upgraded to the latest version. So by using option as hyphen hyphen upgrade. Now here I used that. Now that's why it is going to collect the Django of 2.0.6. Right. So again it will take some time in order to update. Yeah, it's going to uninstalling the Django 2.0.2 and it will install your latest version. But very first time if you are going to work and if you required 2.0.6, then directly at very first time itself mention here your version 2.0.6. Okay, but if you are having already some existing Django older version, then if you want to get the latest version, this is the option: pip install the Django space hyphen hyphen upgrade. You can go with any way, guys. Okay, so that is the way how to install your the Django module on your local host. And this is I am working on Windows operating system. The same way you can also work with your Unix like system, but there you should configure first pip command. By default if you install Python on your Windows operating systems, then you will get pip as well. But in Unix like systems you won't get pip command directly. First you have to install your required Python, then based on your Python version you have to install your pip as well. If it is 2 version, you have to install pip for 2. If it is Python 3, then you have to install pip for Python 3. Okay, in my later videos I will also go with how to install Python 3 on your Unix like systems and how to configure pip for your Unix like systems. And moreover, if you want to work out with the Python 2, then in my YouTube channel again you can find out how to install Python 2 on Windows as well as Unix systems. For that there is a video, you just go through that. Python tutorials, there you are having videos. Okay, anyway, it is going to successfully uninstalled the Django 2.0.2. Now it will install some, yeah, successfully installed Django 2.0.6. Now go to your Python shell, then there import your the Django module or the Django framework and try to print the version using the Django dot underscore underscore version. So it will give the version. Yes, now you are having latest version of your the Django, that is 2.0.6. Okay, so guys, finally you have to know that steps to install your the Django web framework, or you should have Python on your host. That may be Python 2 or Python 3. If you are going with the Django 2 dot something, then you should have Python 3. But if you are going with the 1 dot something of your the Django version, then it may be you can have a Python 2 or Python 3. Anyway, it's better to learn the Django latest version, that is like with the 2 dot. So just install before going to that Python 3 first. Then you should have pip installed for your Python. Anyway, if it is Windows operating system, by default you will get your pip, right? Then use pip install the Django, so that it will install the latest version of the Django. Otherwise, if you want to get some particular version, just write double equal some version, suppose 2.0.6 or 2.0.2, whatever it may be. That's it. Okay, then you can verify your installed Django version on your Python shell, or you can also write some simple program through which also you can verify your installed the Django version. Okay. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, you can post as comments on the below of this video. Do subscribe my channel so that you will notify whenever we post some new videos. Okay, bye.